can go to the closing remarks for ship number 1. So for ship number 1, you just have to follow number 7. Okay, I will explain to you later number 6, so because this is for the closing ship. Okay, so first, ship cashier will just have to finalize the cash tray. Okay, so go here in miscellaneous, cash tray option. Wait, let's view the reports first. Items, so, item 6. Summary. So we have cash transactions of 50 reals. Okay. So now we just have to go here in cash tray options, finalize. This is the closing for the first ship, okay? So 18, see, 18 is cashier number 1. And you have to count the denominations, which is we put earlier a 500 reals as a cash float. We put 1, and I have a 50 reals cash sales. Okay, so I will put 1. So I should have 550 in the drawer. Okay, so once the amount is tallied from your actual cash amount, you can go to the next page, which is the non-cash. So non-cash means this is your card sales, Visa, MasterCard, QLab, and etc. who doesn't have any cash transactions on it. So all you have to do is to type the same amount, which is 551.95. Okay, so once it's okay, press OK. And the last thing that the cashier one will do is to print the report. So the cashier number is 18. I will put 18, and this is the current report for the cashier morning shift. So the short is 0. Okay, Visa is 551.95, and the short is 0. So everything is okay. Total cash tray is 1,101.95 plus this begin cash amount, which is the cash flow. You press OK, and now we can proceed to ship number 2. Okay, so you have to log out your account, which is here at 1, and that's it.